Hi everybody, Semwach Zarams. I am so back after having taken a break for almost 5 months now. And for good this time, for real. Life was three different things at me from different directions, so I had to take a pause from YouTube and focus on other things. During this time, I've started learning French. I even have a YouTube channel in French, but I had to take a break from that one too as well. I've been started learning French. I've been working, and also I've been quite active on TikTok because it's something that was easier for me to maintain. I am so back, and this time with even more. We are going to be having serious conversations surrounding our natural hair. We are going to be questioning every single thing that we have been taught, and we are going to be thinking for ourselves and knowing that it's not just about hair. Every adjacent topic you can think of surrounding hair, we are going to be having it here. Colonialism, inferiority complex, every single thing. We are going to have the conversations on this channel. Expect a video from me twice a month for now, and in the future we plan to increase it up to 4 to 5 times a month. So I'm so excited for where this takes us. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You do not want to miss any of this conversation. Thank you very much for being here. À bientôt, bisous.